Ready to turn your Apple TV into the ultimate sports hub? Let's dive into watching multiple games at the same time. First, make sure you have the Apple TV app installed, as well as any sports-specific apps like ESPN, MLB, or NBA, depending on what you want to watch. Now, open the Apple TV app and navigate to the Sports tab here. You'll see a curated selection of live and upcoming games. Scroll through the listings to find the games you're interested in. Notice the broadcast networks listed next to each game. This is important. Select the first game you want to watch, and if it's live, click the Watch Now option. Once the game is playing, activate picture-in-picture mode by holding the TV button on your Apple TV remote, then selecting the corner to minimize the screen. Next, return to the home screen and open another sports app where your second game is airing. Find your second game within that app and start playing it. With some apps, you might even be able to achieve a split-screen view. Check the settings within each app for options like multi-view or dual stream. Use your Apple TV remote to switch audio feeds or enlarge the screen of the game you want to focus on. By repeating this process with other compatible apps, you can create your very own multi-game command center right on your Apple TV. Enjoy the non-stop sports action.